Hi everyone, this is Liam Somerville live in the kitchen, about to do another kitchen sessions. Got a bit of an important announcement to make. The first one is that I've been the first act confirmed to play at this year's Stay Fresh Fest on September 14th, 2019 in the Queen's Hall.
Come from that road, I don't know where it goes. I hear a baby crying, where did he go? She just doesn't know. And there's a spot at the night at the edge of the road where everybody comes and everybody goes. Spot at the night at the edge of the road. And there's a spot on the corner reserved for mourners, under the streetlights, the streetlights, and they all start singing. The boy who's singing under the streetlight, the streetlights, 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 streetlights. I hear a baby crying, where is he? You know, it's just past 3. 'Cause now a baby's lying, now on the street, you know, that's where he bleeds. And I spot at the night at the edge of the road where everybody comes and everybody goes. Spot at the night at the edge of the road. And there's a spot on the corner reserved for the mourners, under the streetlights, the streetlights, and they all start singing. The boy who's singing under the streetlight, under the streetlight, and the mother's crying. She keeps on denying what happened that night. There was a street fight, and they tried to console her, but they can't control her. She shines so bright, just like the streetlight. Mourners under the streetlights, the streetlights, the mother's crying. She keeps on denying what happened that night. There was a street fight. Tried to console her, you can't control her. She shines so bright, just like the streetlights, streetlights.